So you're at the library databases page and you want to get started. I'm going to show you how to use Wilson Select Plus, and we're going to go through the same series of steps with each of these databases, but I want to show you what's different about each one as well. Remember that every time you get started with your research, you want to open BibMe first so that you can save all of your source material. But click Wilson Select, and all right, whew, once you get through all kinds of random wackiness, my Firefox security was set up a little too high. I want to log in with the same username and password that I use to log in to everything else at the college. So I put in that information, and now you see the Wilson Select search screen, and by default it's on advanced search. We love this. The first thing you want to do is click full text, because there's no sense in finding anything if you can't read it, right? That's what full text means, is they'll give you the whole article. And so why look for something if you're not going to be able to read it? You don't need to limit it to only what the college has on hand, since you're going to find it in full text, okay? If you're finding that you need to start finding the recent information, you can go here and enter your dates in the date field, okay? But we want to look for, I'm going to use Brooks' research question about No Child Left Behind, and so I want to look for No Child Left Behind, and his question was whether the curriculum focuses too much on math and English and changes the availability of the arts. So we're going to put those as our search terms. I'll always go ahead and get started by asking for more than you think they're going to give you. Let's click search and see what kind of results we get. Go, go, go. Brilliant. We asked for what we thought was going to be impossible, and you'll see that we got 13 hits. Beautiful, exactly what we wanted. And so here, still at risk, what students don't know even now. That sounds like an article for you, Brooke. Another thing is Teacher Perspectives on No Child Left Behind and Arts Education, a Case Study. This is brilliant. It was published less than 2 years ago. It comes from the Arts Education Policy Review, which is a well-respected journal. And so, you know, that looks really good. But we're not going to look at the individual articles now. I just wanted to show you what you get. Now let's look at this article. You have the title of the article here. You also see View Full Text in PDF format and View Full Text in HTML. Always choose PDF, because PDF format file gives you a facsimile of the article as it originally appeared in the journal. So you'll see we even have the torn pages, we have the page number, and all of this information here. And you don't want to save this web address, because this web address is only good for this 45-minute session. If you paste it in and try to go there tomorrow, it will not work. So just completely ignore what's up here in the URL field, and instead go to save. In any PDF, you can click this floppy disk icon and save it. And I want to save this, and this is Brooke's first article. Sorry, Brooke. And if you want to see where the arts happen to be mentioned, you can click on the spyglass in any PDF file and look for the arts, and you can see that the arts are mentioned 175 times. Wow. Let's see how many times the word curriculum is mentioned. 24 times. And so if what we're interested in is curriculum changes, then we can click on each of these instances and see how it is that they're talking about curriculum, and if they're talking about curriculum change. Does that make sense? So we can see whether this article is exactly what we need, which is cool and brilliant. And I'll get to the rest of this